Hi everyone, this is the Search Nav and Support Group. Welcome to our sprint iteration, sprint planning sync. And this is the last iteration of Q1. And I'm gonna share my screen real quick for the mascot. It's a wild tanuki, a tanuki in the wild. And now we will go through our boards. I'm gonna pass it off to John.
Thank you, Miguel. For this iteration, I'm going to work on migrating customers pages. Right now, I have two in review and doing the Drupal Association customer page. Also, I'm going to work on the software faster localization. I'm going to add date published and date modified attributes to the meta in the topic pages. And for last, I'm going to migrate a continuous integration server as it is a topics page. That's it for me. Next one is Laura. I'm going to speak for her as she's not here. She's going to run an A/B test for sales and trials header. She's going to finish her work on the localized navigation. Also, she's going to work on the translation of our assets. I believe she's going to work with Trevor with this one. She's going to do the navigation release. Last but not least, she's going to add some solutions pages to the navigation. I'm passing over to Miracle.
Thank you. So this iteration, I'll be working on updating our paths for our localized pages. I'll be localizing the forms on the free trial page. I'll also be doing a quick bug fix in the navigation with the hover effect of our some of our nav links. I'll be migrating 2 pages from the dub repo to buyer experience, being the distributed version control system and the cloud native continuous integration. And I'll also be updating our language of CI minutes to units of compute in the marketing site. And I'll hand it to Trevor.
All right, so for me, this iteration, I'll be working on a new solutions page for AI and machine learning, as well as working on a language selector. Yeah, and that's it for me. So I'll pass it over to Miguel.
Thank you. For this iteration, I'll be working on the localized version of the platform page. I'll also be doing some migrations at 4 pages, migration to the buyer experience topics pages. And I'll also be doing the documentation of the schema markup we have in the buyer experience. And when I finish that, I think I'll also do some documentation updates in the navigation repo. And that will be from me. I'll pass it over to Lauren.
All right, so to wrap this order up, I'm gonna unconfigure our Smartly and Fastly setup for review apps. We've got, and then purge Swift type cache just in case we have anything cached in our search that we don't want. And then we need to ensure that our 6 Sense data taxonomy and configuration is set up correctly by the end of this week. So I've got an issue for that. All right, and so with that, that's gonna start our sprint. And we're just gonna go ahead and crush it. And we're gonna do a nice little jam out. Wow. Just to get us started here.